Hey, what's up? Let me ask you something real quick. What if you could wake up tomorrow morning, roll out of bed, grab your phone, and see money just sitting in your account? No packing boxes, no shipping labels, no dealing with messy inventory or late-night customer complaints. Sounds too good to be true, right? I used to think the same thing until I discovered the power of digital products. Here's the thing. You create something once, like a guide, a workbook, a set of templates, or even a bite-sized online course, and then sell it over and over again. While you're sleeping, while you're working, even while you're binge-watching your favorite Netflix series. And this isn't one of those shady, get-rich-quick hacks. This is real business in today's creator economy, where one good idea can turn into a passive income stream that keeps paying you for months or even years. In this video, I'm breaking everything down step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to sell, how to create it, where to sell it, and how to market it like a pro, even if you've never sold a single thing online before. So grab your notebook, stay with me till the end, and let's unlock your very first digital income stream together. Ready? Let's dive in. Why digital products are exploding. Before we get into the how, let's talk about the why. Why digital products are such a massive opportunity right now. Think about how much life has changed in the last 8 years. We live online now more than ever. People are scrolling TikTok at breakfast, learning new skills on YouTube after work, downloading templates at 2 a.m. Digital content isn't just entertainment anymore, it's solutions. Whether it's templates to save time, eBooks to learn faster, or courses to upgrade skills, people are actively paying for digital shortcuts that make life easy. And that's where you come in. Here's why this business model is unbeatable. Low cost to create, no warehouses, no printing, no shipping. Your biggest tools are your brain and a laptop. Infinite scalability, you make it once, sell 100, 1,000, or 1,000,000 times without extra effort. Global reach, you're not limited to your city or country. Someone in London, Lagos, or Los Angeles can buy your product at 3 a.m. Beginner-friendly, you don't need coding skills, investors, or a massive audience. You just need to solve one problem really well. Look at the most successful creators online right now. They're not just posting content for free. They're packaging their knowledge into digital products that sell 24/7. If you're not tapping into this yet, you're literally leaving money on the table. Part 2. Pick a profitable niche. All right, before you rush to Canva and start designing your product, you need to answer one crucial question. Who are you creating for? This is where most beginners trip up. They try to make products for everyone and end up selling to no one. Here's the sweet spot. A topic you're good at or passionate about. A problem people are actively trying to solve. An audience willing to pay for that solution. Let's make this real. Are you great at budgeting? Don't make a generic budget planner. Make a budget planner for freelancers. Know how to code? Skip the broad, learn coding ebook and create a JavaScript cheat sheet for beginners. Obsessed with productivity? Don't just make a daily planner. Build a Notion template for busy content creators. See the pattern? Specificity sells. And here's a quick hack. Head over to Etsy or Gumroad right now. Search for digital planners or templates. Sort by bestsellers and study what's working. Look at their titles, designs, and pricing. Remember, success leaves clues. Action step. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 problems you know how to solve. For each problem, brainstorm 3 product ideas. The gold is usually hiding in specificity. Part 3. Craft a digital product people actually want. Now we get to the fun part, actually creating your product. And here's the good news. You don't need expensive software or a design degree. Tools like Canva, Google Docs, and Notion have made this ridiculously simple. Here are a few product types you can create today. eBooks and guides teach people something step by step. Planners and templates help people save time and stay organized. Mini courses record short, focused lessons, and bundle them into a simple course. Cheat sheets and toolkits condense valuable info into one easy reference. But here's the trap most beginners fall into: perfectionism. They spend months trying to make the perfect product and never launch. Don't do that. Your first product doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to solve a problem. Start by creating a minimum viable product, MVP. Keep it simple. Make it useful. Focus on clarity over aesthetics. Then launch it. Get real-world feedback. Improve it over time. Remember, done is better than perfect. The faster you get your first product out there, the faster you learn what actually works. Part 4. Set up your store and start selling. All right, your product's ready. Now it's time to put it out into the world. Here's the good news. You don't need a custom-coded website or a $500 Shopify setup to start selling. Some platforms make this stupid simple. Gumroad, beginner-friendly and super intuitive. Payhip, great if you want more control and flexibility. Etsy, perfect if your product is visual, like templates or planners. Shopify, best for scaling if you want to build a full brand later. Here's the basic setup process. Upload your product PDF, template, video files, whatever you've created. Write a benefits-driven description. Don't just list features like 10 pages. Instead, sell the outcome. This planner helps you save 5 hours a week and hit your financial goals faster. Set your price, research competitors, but don't undervalue yourself. Add mockups or screenshots people by what they can see. Use Canva to create clean visuals. Think of your product page as your digital storefront. Keep it clean, professional, and trustworthy. A great-looking product page builds instant credibility, and credibility sells.
Part 5. Marketing that actually works. Uploading your product isn't enough. You need eyeballs on it. The internet is noisy, and if you want to make sales, you have to market smart. Here are 3 strategies that work right now. 1. TikTok and Reels. Short-form video is dominating. Create 15 to 30-second clips showing what your product does. Quick tips or hacks related to it. Before and after transformations. Behind-the-scenes snippets of how you made it. TikTok and Instagram Reels are organic goldmines. One viral video can bring hundreds of sales overnight. 2. Pinterest traffic. Pinterest is slept on, but it's a passive traffic machine. Use Canva to create eye-catching, clickable pins. Link them directly to your store or landing page. The magic of Pinterest? Pins last months, sometimes years. That's traffic that keeps working for you. 3. Build a simple email list. Social media comes and goes, but an email list is yours forever. Start small, even 50 subscribers is enough. Share valuable tips, stories, and insights weekly. Build trust first, then recommend your product. Here's the secret: don't scream "buy my product." Instead, educate, entertain, and inspire. When people like and trust you, the sales follow naturally. Part 6. How to market and sell your digital product like a pro. Alright, so you've created your digital product. You've poured hours of energy, thought, and creativity into making it something truly valuable. But here's the big truth no one talks about enough. Creating your product is only half the battle. If nobody knows about it, nobody buys it. Period. That's why, in this section, I'm breaking down proven marketing strategies that beginners can use to turn a simple digital product into a consistent source of passive income. And don't worry, you won't need a big following, expensive ads, or complicated funnels. What you do need is a smart, step-by-step plan to get your product in front of the right people. Step 1. Build curiosity, not just awareness. Most beginners think marketing is about shouting louder than everyone else. But here's the secret. Marketing is not about forcing people to pay attention, it's about making them curious enough to want to learn more. Instead of just saying, "Here's my guide on productivity, go buy it." Say something like, "I used this exact 7-step method to cut my work week in half and still get more done." The full guide? Linked below. See the difference? One is selling, the other is inviting. And in today's noisy creator economy, curiosity always beats aggression. Step 2. Leverage social proof. Here's the truth, people rarely trust products, but they do trust other people. That's why social proof is one of your most powerful marketing tools. You can share screenshots of early results. Ask beta users for short testimonials. Show snippets of your product in action, like a page from your ebook or a slide from your mini course. Even if you're just starting out, a handful of authentic, honest reviews can make your product 10 times easier to sell. Step 3. Use content as your best salesperson. Let me give you a free growth hack: teach, don't sell. The easiest way to market a digital product is by creating bite-sized content that solves tiny problems for free. Why? Because every piece of helpful content builds trust, and trust converts. For example, if you're selling a Canva template bundle, make a 60-second video showing how one template saves you 2 hours. If you're selling a fitness guide, post a quick tip on Instagram demonstrating a workout from your plan. Each post should lead people naturally to your product, without screaming "buy now" in their face. Subtle selling always wins. Step 4. Set up an automated sales funnel. Now, this one sounds complicated, but it's simpler than you think. Here's the formula. Create a lead magnet, something free but valuable, like a checklist or cheat sheet. Offer it in exchange for an email sign-up. Send 3 to 5 automated emails giving value and sharing insights. Then, naturally introduce your digital product as the solution they need. This way, you're not chasing customers. Instead, your funnel quietly nurtures them 24/7 even while you sleep. Step 5. Master the launch, then automate the evergreen. Finally, let's talk launches. When your product is new, make noise. Build hype. Give discounts to early adopters. Go live on Instagram or YouTube. Engage directly with your audience. But once that initial excitement fades, don't let your product die. Set it up on an evergreen system, meaning you automate promotions, schedule posts, and run occasional flash sales. Your goal isn't just a one-time launch. It's to make your product a long-term, passive income machine. By following these steps, you won't just create a digital product, you'll create a system that markets and sells it for you. And if you thought this was powerful, wait until you hear what I'm about to share in the outro.
And there you have it, the complete roadmap to creating, selling, and scaling your very first digital product. Now, here's the thing, watching this video is just the first step. Nothing changes until you take action. So pick one product idea, set aside an hour today, and start building. Because here's the truth, the sooner you start, the sooner you can wake up to a business that makes money while you sleep. If this video helped you, hit that like button so YouTube knows it's worth sharing. And if you're serious about creating passive income streams, subscribe and turn on the bell, because I drop actionable videos like this every single week. Pro tip, if you want my free starter kit with 10 ready-to-use digital product ideas and a full step-by-step checklist, just click the link in the description below. It'll save you hours of guesswork and get you moving faster. This is your moment. Your idea matters. And the world is